I'm being joined by Sandeep Dikshit of the Aam Aadmi Party of the Congress. What have I said? Totally sinful. Sandeep Dikshit, thank you very much for joining me here on Times Now's exit poll. So far, 8 polls on the screen. Each one of them is giving BJP the majority, and the Aam Aadmi Party, literally, to put it mildly, is seeing a crash of sorts. Do you believe exit polls will be true, or do you believe, as every politician says, exit poll हमेशा गलत होते हैं?
नहीं, I haven't seen the exit polls. I'm just hearing from what you're saying. I'm of this very, very firm opinion that the way Congress fought this election, it's really Congress's putting up of different agendas, Congress's campaign, and the way we critique the government and others. We've actually changed the equation of the entire election. Where it goes to, how much it goes to, we'll all come to know on the 8th. And I don't think there's any point in either contradicting the exit polls or accepting that. But I would say I'm very satisfied and happy with the fact that the kind of campaign we tried to bring in, I think, I don't know what the percentages are showing, what these exit polls are showing, I'm not sure of that. But I think Congress has played a significant role in changing the equation of the government, in case your exit polls are correct.
Well, so let me ask you, average of the 8 exit polls gives a range of 39 to 47 seats to the BJP, 23 to 31 to the Aam Aadmi Party, 0 to 1 to the Congress Party. The Congress Party may not have got numbers, but has it actually succeeded in cutting the votes of the Aam Aadmi Party? And is that objective that the Aam Aadmi Party, which it wanted to avoid, has the Congress actually achieved that?
Namkaji, I wouldn't know, because these are numbers of seats. It hasn't given percentage of votes that is projected. I think once those numbers start coming in, maybe we'll work on that. But very clearly, I just said again, I'm just assuming that your numbers are correct. I don't want to argue. Either way, we'll come to know the reality on the 8th. But all I'm saying is that we obviously, I believe that we've kind of made a strong comeback in many, many areas. We've grabbed back a lot of the vote in Delhi. We've actually become a party of relevance in Delhi, and I think if that is the case, it will probably be of course not, in case we are not winning the government, then it's not a happy result, but I think it's a satisfactory performance.
Well, Sandeep Dikshit, let's talk about your seat, the New Delhi seat. What's your bet on? Who's winning that seat?
Well, I think Congress is doing well. Seriously, I think we're doing very well.
Are you absolutely confident that Arvind Kejriwal will lose?
I'm very confident that Congress will win. So I suppose the other question automatically gets answered.
Well, Sandeep Dikshit, if these are the numbers and if they hold out, that assumption stays, because we are doing the poll of polls, and this is not one poll that we are looking at. We are looking at the average of 8 polls that have been put out. I want to ask you, if this is the manner in which the Aam Aadmi Party could fare on the 8th of February, do you think this is a shift in national politics? The first political startup, so to speak, could finally be facing its nemesis, given the fact that it came back to the old political mode that people wanted a change from?
I think the biggest problem that the Aam Aadmi faced was it lived up to none of its promises. Its promises were not just giving something free and, making something easier for people to access. It was this whole game of what they were, the fact that they wanted people to believe that if there's anybody honest on earth, it was them, that they could bring alternate or different politics. They had come out of a movement and they used the various elements of that movement to bring a character to themselves, which was very, very untrue of them. So I think they've actually not been able to face up to the image they'd built upon them. And I think once people start realizing that, then the reaction against a party can be quite vicious, and probably this is what the case is. I also think that when you use the word nemesis, I think for Aam Aadmi Party, in case this is the result, as I said, I'm just assuming this is the result. I'm not making any other prediction. I think it's going to be a problem of survival and extinction. I don't think it's a party that can survive too much as an opposition, at least in Delhi, for too long.
Do you think if Arvind Kejriwal loses, Aam Aadmi Party will survive? Hypothetical, but need to ask that question.
I think they'll find it very difficult. It's a one-person party as of now.
And if they were to perform in the manner in which the polls show, what is the one biggest factor that's taken its toll on the performance of the Aam Aadmi Party?
I think the fact that they thought that they could always, I'm sorry for using a word, but they could cheat everybody all the time. They could, fool everybody all the time in case this is the result. And I think finally, it's kind of their lies have come home.
Well, thank you very much, Sandeep Dixit, for joining us here, and wish you all the very best for your own election in the New Delhi constituency. Tough task, tough job at hand. But then you are Sheila Dixit's son, and that legacy is difficult for any Delhiite who's old enough, to have seen those years in Delhi. Well, we do hope people will remember that legacy, and Sandeep Dixit, well fought. Whatever be the result, thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now.